Okay, we are just over 24 hours from the next USDA World Ag Supply Demand Estimate Report, WASDE report for the month of July. Comes out tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern. Now, we'll be watching it for soybeans for sure, and here's what's happening in the bean market right now. Looking at the futures, November 11.84 3/4. Now, we're down nearly a dime, 11.85. We're nearly a dime off of the day's high. We are trading 7 1/4 cents lower right now on beans, even after the announcement of a flash sale earlier today by USDA. Combined 9.4 million bushels of soybeans, 5 of those going to China, 4.4 to unknown destinations. And yesterday it was 17.3 million bushels. So we know China is back in the market, but maybe we bake that in on the trade back on Monday. Corn market, we're still in the red, down a couple of pennies, 4.54 1/4, though we've been watching a bit of a rally here in the wheat market as the September contracts 12 higher, 6.19 3/4. We're trading in an almost 18-cent trade range for soft red. And for hard red, we're trading in, well, look at that, 6.39's the bottom end, 6.58.5 on the top end, and we're within a penny of that 6.58.5, trading 6.57.5 right now. It's up 12 1/4. Well, let's go to Bryant Sanderson, Senior Commodity Broker, CHS Hedging. Hey, Bryant, wheat market taking off. What's happening?
Yeah, I think it's more pre-report positioning than anything here. We know the age numbers from June were lighter than anticipated on the winter wheat side, and then on the spring wheat also lower than last year. So I think the market may be positioning itself ahead of the report, given the friendly numbers that we got on the June 30th report. So I think that's more so what we're seeing here. I don't see much else beyond that. I know we've seen these markets kind of run up over the past several trading sessions, specifically the spring wheat, but beyond that, like I said, there's not much there.
Okay. Again, mention this, the flash sales of soybeans, China big in the market. Did we bake that in early in the week?
Yeah, it sure looked like we did. Market had that pop, and rumors of the hot, dry weather, and then on top of that, China's looking for some soybeans here, not just for new crop, but for old crop. So I think that's what kind of got the market rocking and rolling early in the week, and we're kind of fading back a little bit from that, but still hold on to a lot of those gains. So it does look like that the Chinese demand kind of, got the market going. But at the same time, we knew they were coming. It really shouldn't, to me, really move the market a whole lot higher from here unless they do come in and buy a whole bunch. But our export sales this morning kind of showed that it wasn't as big as anticipated, so maybe that's why we're pulling back like we are here today. But nevertheless, still good to see the Chinese come in and buy some U.S. beans.
All right, Bryant, great to see you. Thanks for coming in, and we'll see from USDA in a little more than 24 hours. Again, that WASDE report. Bryant Sanderson with CHS Hedging. We're back in a moment with livestock futures on Market Day Report.